What's up, guys? Welcome back to my first video. Today we're going to be unboxing the new Vanish Fafnir. Now, I just got this earlier. I tried to do unboxing, but then the video accidentally deleted, so I want us to do a re-unboxing. So here's Vanish Fafnir. Let me just... Here we go. Here's Vanish Fafnir. This beautiful thing. And then here is Dynamite Belial, something like that, with the F gear on. So we're gonna go part by part, I guess. I'm not really gonna go over the 3 armor because you've probably seen you've probably seen it from other VTubers, and kind of just like it's basically 2 but with 3 points instead. With 3 points instead. So yeah. So pretty much here's the layer. It has like soft rubber, so you can like push in, I guess, when it gets hit. So let me show you that. Here is the layer. You can squish, which you'll see in the thumbnail, because I just made the thumbnail before re-recording this, or yeah. Actually, no. Let me change it to high mode. Here is high mode, and as you can see, the rubber won't go in as much because this armor piece is blocking it. Here's the tapered disc, 4 stars. Basically, this thing has a bunch of life after death, or it should anyway. It just helps Fafnir balance itself. And then here we have the kick driver. I like this, really cool. It's like a spring, you can like spring back. And then also here, it tips over. It'll just like get back up. This part doesn't go in though, so that's actually really good because I can just maintain stamina. So now we're going over Vanish Fafnir. It's Dynamite Battle. As you can see, the armor, or the F gear on it, fills up these little gaps under here. But then there's this rubber, these blue parts, for a massive attack. So now we're just gonna go to the stadium and test these 2 out with some test battles. So first we're gonna see if we can do the spin steel thing. So let me get Belio here. And it can kind of do it, but not really. So yeah. Now if I handspring, it can do it. So the light after death on the kick driver isn't too amazing, so don't expect any like crazy light after death. But it's really using the holes though, like the whole gimmick thing. It's really cool. And draw. Okay, so now we're gonna actually have to see if I can and the other Beyblades. Alright, let's see. Now, apparently, high mode is supposed to be able to counter left spin, so we'll see if it can actually do that. Rage won that one, okay. Also, as you can see, high mode's been more aggressive because of the center of gravity. Alright, well, I think it did better now. I know can beat the older Fafnir. And Mirage is on counter mode. So counter mode versus counter mode, I guess. Oh my gosh, Vanish just destroyed this thing. Alright, now we're gonna see if Vanish can actually beat Mirage in low mode. The kick drive is actually keeping this thing pretty balanced. I'll give that one to Mirage. Now we're against Cyclone Ragnarok. Alright, let's see. If Fafnir actually beat Ragnarok. I kind of with Bellwheel. Ragnarok has a lot more life or death, so I don't think it'll win, but. Alright, now it's time for Bellwheel to actually battle. See, that F is actually making a bit of a difference. Oh my gosh. Can Ragnarok like come down already? Wasted all his stamina going around. Rage Long is gonna be Bellwheel's final opponent. Oh my gosh, that's a good hits. And both the F gear, it can spin steel now. Not only attack, so that's actually really good. Alright, we'll do one more round, but we're gonna switch Bellwheel to high mode. Okay, Rage and high mode Bellwheel. Alright, let's see. Okay, that I feel like the gear slows it down a lot. Oh, it actually won in high mode in life after death? What? Yeah, but like the rubber actually helped the spin seal more. Okay. Well, guys, that was it for this video. What do you think? What do you think of the video? Next, the first battle will be Bellwheel with F gear versus Mirage, or not Mirage, Vanish with, I guess, just Vanish Fafnir. That'll be the next video on the channel. So, thanks for watching. Go subscribe to the YouTube channel. Follow on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter, and we'll see you guys in the next video.